First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Alright guys, we're just showing you how to drift a standard AU. And the basics of it is basically foot down a lot, lots of hand movements, very minimal handbrake movements because you're probably not going fast enough to 10 meters. Automatic, so first gear, and that's it, you just steer it. Perfect way to learn. Not much power, you got to use your weight. It's good that we've got a little bit of torque so you can use that to your advantage. But most of all, teaches you weight prediction of the car, angle, all that thing. So they've got pretty decent steering angle factory, which helps. Let's do it.
How's that?
Look, it's definitely good fun. That last little incident, I don't know if you were filming, but I couldn't see. And I knew there was trees. I still kept into it, but I thought I won't try and count it anymore. That run. I don't know what you call that, but it does it pretty easy. This car is so standard. You haven't done any modifications apart from the wheels, and that's it. So you really put your foot down. You learn to your flicks and your throttle. I mean, I've been driving for a few years now, so I learned an automatic. I always say to people, good thing to learn. So here we have the AU. Got to just throttle it in, bit of weight transfer, bit of foot brake as the Toke video car is going a bit too slow. So it's full throttle, flick it in, hold on. Lots of just guess there and foot flat. Riding the foot brake a little bit there with all power that it doesn't have, reinitiate, flick it in and get a little bit closer. You could see I just dabbed the brake there for a moment. Up the curb a little bit, no matter. Yeah, just trying to kind of get a bit of a groove as I'm chasing full drive. Can't go that quickly yet. Just a handful right there. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Car suffered a bit of damage. We changed the engine mounts, bit of belt flap. We've cleaned it off. Good thing to know if you're doing burnouts in your AU, when you belt them, you go around the handbrake and hold the handbrake on. Very important to have side cutters and cut that off. Oh yeah, just give us a like, subscribe. Got some more videos coming, so get pumped. Hope you're as pumped as I am because I'm having a good fun making them, and so is Twinny. So here's Nick here having a great time fixing the car for tomorrow, so we can go do some more filming. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Let's do some more skids, you know. Legal, obviously.